Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out a 2018 4-coin set. These were minted by Pobjoy Mint on behalf of Gibraltar. They are 50p coins and the series is known as Primates. What we have here is the album that you could have purchased to house all of the coins. We'll get in there in a second and have a look at those coins, but let's check out the back first. So British Pobjoy Mint, and then this is to certify that this presentation pack contains legal tender Cooper and Nickel diamond finish coins issued by the government of Gibraltar and is limited to an issue of 7,500. And what that means is that there's 4 coins in this series, and for each of the 4 coins, only 7,500 were actually minted. If I just open up the presentation and show you the inside, the first thing you'll see is this here. In the middle, a magnet, and each corresponding corner inside the card has a magnet inside, and everything just closes back up nicely. I do really like the design on that. What we're going to do now is just check out the information for each one, and then I'll show you the design. So we'll start off with the red colobus monkey, and then let's just have a look at that coin there. And we'll move on to the baboon. If I'm moving too quickly and you want to read all of that information, just pause it and read it at your own pace. We'll move on now to the chimpanzee. I'll pull out one of these coins in a second, just to show you the obverse side of the design. So our final coin is the Barbary ape. There we go. So we'll just pull out one of these, so I can show you the other side. There we go. So 2018 Gibraltar. Good finish on that. A little bit of toning there. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. That is the 4 coins in the 2018 Primates series. So let me know in the comment section below, did you get these? And if so, did you just get the coins or did you get the album to house them in? Let me know in the comment section below because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.